Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money on TapTap Send from USA to Pakistan. So let's dive into it. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So the first thing to do is your first step is to launch the app on your phone, then sign in into your TapTap Send account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to select the Pakistan as the recipient country. So choose Pakistan from the list of country. Then the next thing to do is to choose the delivery method. So select how the money should be received, which could be in your bank account, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Then after that, you have to add the recipient details. So enter the recipient full name and the account number / the mobile number. Then you have to type in the amount you want to send in USD or PKR, which is Pakistan. Then after that, choose the preferred funding option, which could be your bank, your debit card or bank transfer. Then review the transfer. So double check all details to avoid errors or so that you don't lose your phone. So make sure you double check all the details starting from the account number, the bank details in code. Then after that, you have to tap send to proceed with the transaction. So once you're done with that, save the receipt because the confirmation tracking purpose, just in case. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more.